Hey guys! So it's just gone my 5 months on T. I thought I would update you guys on the situation. So main update I guess is that my voice is going even lower now, which is really nice. It's mostly been like the last week actually where it's like really properly dropped and it's just really fun. It cracks a lot of work and all my friends are laughing at me and I'm laughing at me, and it's just a great situation because it means progress and also it's just something that we can all laugh at. So I've already shaved once because it got like quite long on the bottom, and basically that's all grown back in. It's not like really long or noticeable yet, like I don't really know if you can really see at all, but it's there when you look close up. So it's definitely still coming in, and there's another patch here that's got a bit darker now as well, so it's slowly getting more thicker and dense. My general body hair is also getting quite long. Like I have a lot of like hair on like my belly and then on my legs as well. Like some of these hairs are getting really long. So I finally got around to contacting the GIC about my referral, which has been going on for 2 years now because they messed up the first one, and then I kept trying to contact them like, hey, what's going on with this? And it turns out they've been sending all my letters to the wrong address, but last week I finally gave them the right address, and then I phoned them this Monday, depending on when I post this. I'll like, yeah, it was maybe probably a couple of weeks ago, so hopefully I'll have like an update actually by the time I post this. But yeah, so they're gonna send out a letter and I'll actually have a GIC appointment, which means I can go off private. Because it's so expensive, I can't do this. I can't continue to pay all this money that I don't have. So yeah, I'll be going on to the National Health Services soon so that I can actually save money for moving, which I'm doing. I'm going to hopefully move to Brighton in May, and that's going to be amazing because Brighton is really, really gay, really queer, really vegan, really alternative, and I love it so much. I've lived there for 3 years before in the past and it was amazing, and since coming out I realised how much more important Brighton is to me, and I visited a couple of days ago and I just missed it so much and I love it and I just can't wait to go back. So yeah, I'll be moving from London in a few months. So more updates I guess. My skin's still not really clear. I've been using my kind of like routine to try and clear that up, and it's alright. Like it could be a lot worse, but it's still like, you know, like blotchy, and I've got like a lot of like things here, and from my binding I've got like bad skin here, and also my binder, oh my god, I keep having to go to the doctors, and twice now I've had to call emergency services because I've had a panic attack from the pain that it's been giving me and the palpitations that I had from the panic attacks. And I'm alright. Like, the problem is that the moment I think something's wrong, I get anxious and then I panic, and that aggravates these symptoms. And basically it's just my binder is causing me a lot of pain. I'm getting a lot of back pain. I like had a moment where breathing was hurting a lot and I think I'd bruised a rib, but I can't stop binding because I really need to. Like for me, the binder is the one thing that really alleviates all the dysphoria that I have, so I have to wear it every day, and I'm actually working for the next 9 days in a row with 1 day break in between, but then I've got loads of time off afterwards, so I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, when I go to the GIC, that hopefully means that I can get my referral for top surgery, means I can move on to injections, which means I don't have to put tea on every single day. I figured out that when I put the tea on in the evening, when I go to bed, like my thing was that I was putting it on just before I went to bed, and that caused my body to kind of go into overdrive, because obviously I'm putting testosterone in my body's like going crazy over it, and then I'm trying to go to sleep, and then my heart is just, it's racing from this thing that I'm putting in my body, and then I can't go to sleep, and then I have panic attacks and palpitations, and then it just sucks. So I've decided to start putting my tea on in the mornings, and I'm actually being able to sleep at night, which is really nice now. So yeah, if there's anything to take from that, put your tea on in the morning if you're on gel, because otherwise you're gonna have restless nights. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope that I upload this video sooner than I have done my previous ones. Alright, anyway, yeah, 5 months in tea update. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. I'll probably missed some things. And I'll see you soon. Bye.